think advice I would give to people is that you're not alone in this summer session. You know, make friends. The first days that you're here, just go out and talk to everybody. I feel like that's something big. You don't want to feel alone. You're kind of far away from home probably. If you're stuck on something, you don't have to go through all your work alone. You can ask your friends for help or other people in your class. You don't have to be afraid to speak up.
Make time to have fun. I know this is a summer session and you're taking classes, which is very important, but it's also an experience, and so taking the time to go to events and taking time to learn your roommate and hang out with them, or just going to the movies is very important too, because this is also your summertime, and so you want to be able to have that balance of school and also your free time.
Form good relationships with the professors, their TAs. It's very good to have contacts in the future. And as much as you can, try to form friendships, be interactive, be involved within the community, I would say, and ask for help. People here are very friendly, they want to help you. Don't be scared of certain things. We were scared and we enjoyed it.
Sign up for everything. If you see there's newsletters, sign up for anything. Even if you don't know, you have no clue what they're talking about or what it is. I signed up for slip and slide kickball. I'd never heard of slip and slide kickball, and it was incredible. It was so fun. We were out there for hours. And so I would just say, do everything possible, because there's only so much time here. And looking back, I realized how fast it's gone.
Make a plan for every weekend, jot out, make a bucket list, do what you want to do, go for rock climbing or fountain hopping, or explore another city. Whatever comes to your mind, just do it, because this is once in a life opportunity.
Try everything you can, you know. You never know if you're gonna enjoy it or not, and if you don't, that's all right. You always have new chances to grow and find new hobbies, find new friends, new people, find new interests, and the only way to find out is really by putting your best foot forward.